Hello and welcome to TAIK. I'm Mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to auto refresh the page in Power BI. And this feature is only for Power BI Premium or Power BI Premium per user. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. This feature is only applicable for the direct query. For the import mode, it will not work. So let's go and connect to the SQL server, and this is my data source. I entered the server address and then the database optional, and then let's select some tables here. And here I'm selecting this dummy table. Click on that and then load. I'm adding this in a table, the category and sales. Let's move on and change the text size. If you click on this end of the page, you have this option. To get this change detection, either you can go to this home ribbon and then modeling, you have this change detection, or you can right click the table, you have this change detection, or else you can click on the blank area of the canvas and then go to the formatting on the visualization pane. At the bottom, you have two options, auto page refresh and other is a change detection. We'll discuss about auto page refresh now. And here they refresh this page every 30 minutes. By default it has given this option, but we can change as per our requirement, 30 seconds, 30 minutes, 30 hours or 30 days as well, and even the 30 we can change as per our requirement. So here I'm changing it to 30 seconds now. So click on show details. It is just saying enabled by your admin interval 1 second, actual rate and last refresh. It will just keep you on update in Power BI desktop what the last it was refreshed and how much time it has taken. If you turn this on, it has after 30 seconds, it has refreshed this value once again, that is interval time it has taken, and it is refreshed at this time. And now if you wait for another 30 seconds, it will refresh this page again and it will give the actual rate as well. See, here it gives every 30.1 second is refreshing the data. So now I have entered some data into database and we'll wait for 30 more seconds to make sure it refreshes it or not. It's 11:50, 35 seconds. And now let's see when it refreshes. So now it is 11:51, 5 seconds, and it has added the third row as well. Now I'm going to add a chord visual, so we'll just make another visual to just check the count of the category, just to make sure how much record it has. I entered the data now and we'll wait for another 30 seconds. Yeah, it refreshes the data. 4 records are there and it has added the 4 rows as well. Now let's sign into Power BI service and publish this report. So I have signed in here. I'm publishing this into a testing workspace. And once it is done, it is saying a message here. Your refresh interval might change. The refresh interval you have set for this report might change. If your capacity admin set a longer one or disables automatic page refresh, contact your admin to make changes. Yeah, whatever you are doing it here, it is only in the Power BI desktop, but it's not going to affect on the Power BI service. So that will impact based on whatever they have set over there. Now let's go and have a look at the Power BI admin settings, what they have done here. You have to go to the settings and then the admin portal, and here you have to click on the premium per user. As I'm using the premium per user license, so it is showing it here. As you can see, we have 3 options: auto refresh, automatic page refresh is turned on, and it is set to 5 minutes for now. We can change it to 5 seconds or whatever it is. It is too less, so we can change it to 15 seconds for now. And regarding the change detection measure, we'll discuss in our next video. So click apply. It is done. So let's go to this report. Now the category is 2 here. So we'll refresh this and insert some data in our database. It is refreshing the value because as you can see these icons over there. And now let's publish this app and make sure that it is also working inside an app. So click on update app and then it is publishing the app here, opening the app. As you can see, there are showing 5 records here. Now let's see after inserting some data again in our database. For every 15 seconds, it is going to refresh this data, refreshing icons on each and every visual. Yeah, now it is refreshing the value. So every 15 seconds, it is going to refresh the value because that's what we have set up here. And regarding the change detection measure, we'll discuss this on our next video. So this is how you can able to achieve this auto page refresh in Power BI, but you have to make sure it has to be direct query and you have to be a premium license or at least a premium per user license. I have made a detail about the Power BI premium per user license, how you have to activate and what are the features available with that when compared to the Power BI Pro as well. So go and check out my playlist over there as well. So you'll get a lot of information over there. And we'll make a second part of this video about the change detection. This auto page refresh will refresh this page for every 15 seconds or what are the period which we have said, whether data has updated or not, whether it has the latest data or not. There is one more option, change data detection. We'll use that in our next video. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. And if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button because it means a lot for us and we need more subscribers as well. And also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.